Hello friends, so today we will see how to find sum of complicated series problem 2. So I have solved a similar problem earlier. This is a second problem that we are going to solve today. So our series is 2 minus 6 plus 18 minus 54 till n. If you see, the difference is 3 here. It is a geometric series and the multiple is 3. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 into 3 is 18. And 18 into 3 is 54. And if you see, initially it's minus and then plus and then minus. So if you multiply it by 3, if you multiply it by minus 3, if you multiply 2 into minus 3, that will give you the second term, which is minus 6. And if you multiply minus 6 into minus 3, minus minus will become plus, and that will give you your third term, which is 18. And if you multiply 18 into minus 3, that will give you your fourth term, which is minus 54, and so on. So we will solve this problem in a similar way. So initially, we will initialize our sum as 0. The input that we will be taking from the user is the n value. Okay. So now again, we will have one loop with two variables. One is for iterating through the n number of terms, and second is for calculating the into 3 value. So let's take I variable for iterating through n number of terms. So I will start from 1. It will go till less than equal to n, and I will always be incremented by 1. It is through iterating n number of terms. Let's take another variable, for example, A. A will start from the first term of the geometric series. So our first term is 2. And A will also go till n only. And the increment condition will be A will be into equal to minus 3. So A will be A equal to A into minus 3. So A will increment every time by into minus 3. And then it will be sum equal to sum plus our A term, which will be 2 initially, then 2 into minus 3, 6, then 6 into minus 3, which is 18, minus 6 into minus 3. And after coming out of the loop, we will print the sum. Let's dry run this program. So let me take my n value as 3. This is the input given by the user. So for my first iteration, okay, so my I value will be 1, my A value will be 2. So condition is 2 is less than equal to n, which is 3. Sorry, I is 1. So 1 is less than equal to n. So 1 is less than equal to 3. Condition is satisfied. So we will go inside the loop and our sum will become, initially my sum is initialized as 0. 0 plus A. A is what? 2. So sum will become 2. Now let's go to second iteration. Now in my second iteration, my I will be incremented by 1, which is 2, and A will be incremented by 2 into minus 3, which is minus 6. So my 2 is less than equal to 3, condition satisfied. So I will go inside the loop. So my sum will become, initially my sum was 2 in the previous iteration. Now it will be 2 minus 6. Okay. 2 plus A. Now let's go to third iteration. So I will be incremented by 1, it will become 3, and A will be incremented by into minus 3. So minus 6 into minus 3 is positive 18. So 3 is less than equal to 3. 3 is equal to 3. So condition is satisfied, and so we will go inside the loop. So sum will be, previously my sum was 2 minus 6. Now A will be added again, which is 18. So if I solve this, what will it be? It will be 22. Sorry, not 22. It will be 14. 2 minus 6 is minus 4. Minus 4 plus 18 is 14. Okay. So this will be our output. Sum will be 14. So let's go to our Eclipse and write this program. So let's create a class, new class, sum of complicated geometric series 2. I will take public static void main so that it is auto-populated. Okay, let's take the input, create a scanner class object. Let's import the scanner class. Let's initialize our n value and sum with 0. So n will have the input from the user, which will be of type int. So next int. Now start our loop. I will be starting from 1 and A will be starting from 2. Let's copy this series. I will just add a comment. Geometric series is this. Double slash, so it will become a comment. So this will not be read. So A will start from 2. It will iterate till n number of terms. Oops. There's some problem with my caps lock. So it will iterate through n number of terms. I will be incremented by 1 every time, and my A will be incremented by into minus 3. Inside the loop, it will be sum equal to sum plus A. And I have to declare I and A as int. Outside the loop, I will print the value of sum. Let's sum 10. So this is our program. Let's run it. To remove this warning that SC is never closed, we can close SC. Let me pause it and run it again. Okay. So the problem is I haven't written a statement to ask the user to enter the value of n. Okay. Let's save it and now run it. So enter value of n. Let me enter 3. So it is sum is 14 as we have seen earlier. Let me enter 4. Value of n is 4 and sum is minus 40. So if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.